Hi guys, so I'm standing outside and it's freaking cold out here, by the way. It's barely snowing at the moment, but as you can see, we got a little bit of snow. But I'm standing outside. I'm about to swab the hood latches on all 4 of my cars right now. And I'm going to take a video of myself doing it. And I just want to start off by letting you know that I did read the reports, the trial testimony of how the hood latch swabs were collected, and I saw that they were wet before they were swabbed onto the hood latch, and also that both sides of the hood latch were swabbed at the same time with the one swab. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut to me doing one car to the next. I'm going to pause between because I have to walk a little bit to get to each. But yeah, so all the swabs are already wet and we're about to start swabbing right now. Okay, so I apparently am a noob at this, so I messed this up. But I did go ahead and swab my car, and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. This right here was the underneath side of the hood latch, like this. And this was the top side of the hood latch. So if I can get that to focus. There it is, which I did there, and you can still see that it's still wet from the swab because the swab is wet. So this is car number 1. This is my car, and I guess I'm just going to have to make several short videos and then put them together. But if you can look, like, my car is a 2000. It is filthy under here. Like, the hood is nasty. That is gross. Okay, here we are at car number 2. And I'm guessing this is the hood latch right here. Here's my swab. Guess we'll just do both sides because I don't have any idea how this works. Oh, there we go. Like that. Ooh, look at that. That's nasty. And like I said, we're going to do both sides, so not too bad. Can't see it. Focus. Yeah, you can barely see. There it is. Oh, the light is so bad out here because it's so bright because of the snow. It's not really showing up very well, but there's a little bit there. You can barely see it, but there is a little bit there. When I turn it, you can kind of see it. So, all right, we're going to go to car number 3. Okay, here we are at car number 3. This hood latch is up here. All right, we're going to do... Oh, they're not even getting me. There we go. It's kind of high, and I'm tall, so this is a big freaking truck. Oh, good Lord. Now, this is a really old vehicle. It is 93, I believe. Oops. Oh, God. I don't even need to go any further with that one. Look at that. That's disgusting. That is nasty. Okay. Yeah, this is, like I said, this is a very old car. But there it is. Wow. I don't even want to put that in my pocket. But there it is. Alright, we're going to go to car number 3. Okay, here we are at car number 4. There it is. Okay. Swab this thing. pretty clean. Just a little bit there. Not much at all. Okay, we're going to go to the other side. A little bit more on this side. Oh. Goodness. Not really sure how to make this focus. Doesn't want to do it. There it goes. So, there's 4 cars. That side is, it's there, but barely. Barely. By far the cleanest car. So it took 4 cars to get this, which is not surprising. This car is actually, out of all 4, it is the newest and it is the cleanest, aside from the dust on top. But there it is. So, well, I'm going to try to turn this camera around. I won't be able to see if you can't flip it while I'm talking, but here we go. There we go. So hopefully I've got this centered right. I can't see anything I'm doing. I can't see if I've got myself focused or what, or centered. But this test was inspired last night from Laura's live YouTube stream, because there was a user that was saying that sorry, there's people. There was a user that was saying that there was nothing on the swabs because they were wet after. Sorry, there's people coming. But anyway, that the swabs were wet afterwards, and they weren't. They were wet before. Now they might have been wet afterwards. I'm gonna go back inside and put that to the test. I'm gonna run it under water and we'll see. Okay, so now we're in the house, and please don't judge my sink. We have hard water, so it's gross. But I'm gonna start with this swab. It has hardly anything on it. It's the one that had the least amount on it. I'm just gonna run it straight under the water. Look at that. It is doing nothing to it. And there's not enough really to see on this side, so whatever. This is second. Least amount. Wash some of that off. Then wash it all off. Wash just a little bit off of it again. This is the one with the next highest amount. Not doing a whole lot. Still not really doing a lot. It's still there. It's very visible. And this one had by far the most. Look how thick that is. I don't think it's going to matter what we do. I could probably rub this and it wouldn't come clean. Like that. Nothing. So that's it. Thanks for watching.